Hi there, my name is Miss Haralabidis, and in this short video, which is part of a greater series of videos I have created focused entirely on the AP Precalculus syllabus, we will go over the factor theorem. Let's quickly jump on it. If for a polynomial function p of x, a number x0 is that polynomial's zero, and let's recall what would that mean. That would mean that by substituting x0, the polynomial's value would be equal to 0, or algebraically that at x0, the graph of that polynomial cuts, intersects with the x-axis. So if a polynomial p of x has x0 as its 0, then the x minus x0, the expression x minus x0, will be called factor of that polynomial. This means that we would be able to express that polynomial as a product between x minus x0 and something else. Again, x0 is a 0, then x minus x0 is a factor. Let's see a quick example, and that's all. Let p of x is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12. Given that x equals -2 is a 0, this means that p of -2 is 0. What is one factor? Well, we know directly from the factor theorem that if at x0 we have a 0, then the factor is x minus x0. So in my case, where I know that the -2 is the 0, then the x minus -2, so let me write that. So the x plus 2 would be a factor, and the right answer would have been 8. That's all. I hope I made things way easier. If you find yourselves that this was a helpful video, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos. Have a great day.